What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ree, aka Ree Baby, and I just hit 1,000 subscribers. So I want to say thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't, go ahead and do that. Today I'm gonna get right into it. I am going to review a wig from LuvMe Hair. It is a closure wig, and it is like a honey blonde kind of color with some dark brown roots. So it's really cute. So this is the box, and in the box it came with a clip that says LuvMe. I'm going to show you that in a second. Some bobby pins, a wrap for your hair, and a band. So they came with everything you need, and it came with a comb too. So yeah, so this is the wrap, this is the clip. So cute. I'm gonna use these. This is the band. Also came with some tweezers too, and then of course it came with the pamphlet. So I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna bleach the knots and pluck the wig. I will be making a video on how to do that soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss it. And I'm not going to use any glue. With closure wigs, I don't like to use glue. All I'm going to use is my got-to-be spray and some wrapping lotion, and that's it. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the wig. It comes in a body wave texture. I already bleached the knots and plucked it. In the inside, it comes with combs, a clip, and adjustable straps too. So I'm going to go ahead and put my makeup in the inside of the lace. This is Swiss lace. It's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but I know how to finesse it with my little makeup. So if you're my color and lighter, I would recommend that you contact LuvMe Hair and see if you could get a transparent lace or a lighter lace on your closure wig, because you want it to blend perfectly. But I know how to make it work, so that's just me. So my mom just pressed my hair 3 days ago, which I really needed. I haven't straightened my hair in a year, but since it's so flat, I'm just gonna put it where I want my part and then put it in a little bun. If you have natural hair, then you might want to do a little braid base, okay? But this is fast and easy for me. Sometimes I put a cap underneath, but I was kind of in a rush today, and it looked fine. The makeup made it blend, so yeah. So go ahead and cut off these tabs on the side. You don't really need those anymore. Now I'm just cutting my lace kind of zigzag just to make it look a little bit more natural. Then I'm going to take my got-to-be spray. I just want a little hold. I don't want to make it all gumpy and everything, so just a little hold for tonight, because I want to be able to take this on and off and not have to wash the front every time. So you're going to let that spray dry a little bit and then press down with your comb to make sure everything's secure. Now you're just gonna blow dry and make sure it's secure. Now we're gonna move on to the baby hairs and sectioning them out. Now I'm going to use the silk wrap that they provided and tie it up just so my baby hairs know where to lay. Now I'm just going to cut my baby hairs how I want them to be. I like my baby hairs really short, so I cut them that way and then I swoop them. I'm just using a lot of body wrapping lotion and a comb. Now I'm putting the silk wrap back on so they lay in place. I want them to lay down, go to sleep, go in a coma, okay? Don't move. So now I'm just finessing the lace. I am putting makeup on my part to make it look like my scalp. I am covering up that little line in the front. I just want this to look as best as it can, so we finesse it. I usually take my curling iron and I go over the top of my head because I want it to lay kind of flat. I don't want that bump. Like, that's what makes it look like a wig. Now I'm just going to take some wrapping lotion to hold it, to lay it down even more, get the flyaways too. So now I'm just styling. I want it to kind of look how it did when it came in the mail, and that's with body waves. So I want to have to redo them because I had to wet the hair when I was washing and bleaching the knots. So okay, so as far as the hair feels really good, and it is a good density. Like, this is a good density. I usually don't like shorter hair. I need 24 inches. If you know me, you know I love my 24 inches. But this was good. Like, with the color and everything, it looked very sophisticated to me. I don't know if that's the right word, but it looked like something. Yeah, this wig definitely made me look a little grown and feel a little grown. You feel me? I'm getting older, y'all, but I don't know. This is a good look. I just like it. Good job, LuvMe hair. You did your thing on this. I just skipped through that. If you want to see me curl and how I curl hair, just comment below and I'll do a video on that. So I'd love to use this product by Design Essentials. It is fire. Like, it's an oil that really just lays on top of the hair. It makes it look silky. It doesn't seep into it and make it stiff and whatnot. So yeah, that's good. I'm just combing out my curls, moisturizing them, all that. Okay, I really do love the color on this, and the roots, that looks so natural. I usually take the two clips in the back, the adjustable straps, and I clip them together because it just gives me a more secure feel. I'm just going to put a little bit of layers in the front. I like to frame my face so when it blows, or it just looks extra pretty with the curls too. I know I'm skipping through stuff. Just let me know in the comments, again, if you want to see me focus on one thing that you need help on. Okay, yeah, y'all, it's a look. It's a look. Pew, pew, pew. Ree. I see you, Ree. I see you, Ree, baby. Oh, she didn't put the glasses on. Oh. Over here hyping my own self up, period. But if y'all like these glasses, this is one of my hustles, selling glasses. I'm going to put the Instagram for them down below in the description if y'all would like to order one. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to LuvMe Hair, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.